The lyrics were the maximum, I stated for facts in them. Just never tried to break, no one I cracked some. Murder in the first degree occurs only when dealing with the D-O to the C. I'm like a whirlwind pyramid, and I'm letting you know I get ill when I hear the bass go. Yeah, that's the sound, and you know it's down, but you know why?
Why's that?
Cause I've been around, and you've heard the sound of the doc and the new style that I found. It's quite unorthodox, but still bassing enough to make you dance. So I picked up the pace and let it ride like a cyclist. And see it showing the end that I'm the mightiest, and that I'm lyrically inclined to make you wanna step to my time. The beat and the cut to this rhyme. Do a show, and I'm good to like a Geo. Never getting skeezed, I mean it's like a NO. Happiness to me is like a positive cash flow, so I let your ear cold hear when the...
What do you guys think? Silver or yellow? I don't have any red right now, but let me get the yellow real quick. Honestly, I think that's better. It just pops. Looks fucking awesome. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, lift it up. FS is 24 hertz. Pretty deep. Alright, VAS is 8 cubic foot. QTS is 0.98, well 0.97, but 0.98. So we'll say 24 hertz, 0.98, and then 8 cubic foot. So I would recommend probably about 6.5 cubic foot, maybe even as small as 5, and then tune to about 32, 33 hertz, even 34 hertz, and it should really sing